I'm gonna open and see what's in here, see if it's broken or not, just for insurance purposes. And also it's cool to unbox something that is very expensive. Now moving on to the G7X. Oh, it looks like it's been opened. It wasn't inside of this, it was just like that. I just have another question. What if What if I open the box and let's say broken? Now, is there what is your recommendation on that one?
You would call us back, let us know what's going on, and then we would take care of it from there.
Okay. I just want to hear that.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Alright guys, today is Monday. I didn't go to work because we are moving, and so pretty much packing little stuff right now, trying to clean my desk. Right now I have to go to the mall because I have a package from Amazon. Wallet, license, phone, yes, also car keys and also house keys. So let's go. Oh, nice, big one. Okay, so this extra batteries is for G7X, and I bought them for $35 from Amazon. What I want to show you is the package itself, and what's in here is a mag filter, which is $30, and also a Canon G7X Mark II, $9. Alright, mag filter, this is $30, but we will see. It covers the lens and it's magnetized, so you don't have to worry about having dust in your lenses. So it's cool to have one. Alright, what I have here is pretty much a lot. There's a case, alright, and this is cleaning starter kit, and also there's a small tripod. Yep, small tripod. Dust blower, micro HDMI cable, 2-in-1 lens spray cleaning. Okay, so I spray and then there's a brush. 32GB memory, and this is cleaning lens, and then tripod gorilla grip. Oh, I like that. What's this? Okay, apparently I don't know what this thing is, so we're just gonna keep it aside for now. This is a USB. You can put your memory card. Now moving on to the G7X. How many items are in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's a lot, and that cost me about $610. Two things that we have to open: the mag filter and also the G7X. This one, I believe it's easier to open in the bottom. There you go. All right, so it's right here, and there's a little pouch. Oh, there you go. Wow, this is nice. Quite heavy. Main event. Oh, it looks like it's been opened. See that? Camera. It wasn't inside of this, it was just like that. So I just open it like this. So someone been tampering this. Okay, let's see. I see a cord, power cord, guide, instructions, whole box. Alright, let's see. This is the charger. Oh, nice. I like the color of it. Yep. So this goes here and will charge the battery. Came with one battery and a wrist strap. This thing right here. Ooh, quite heavy. Wow. I like that. Also heavy. Nice grip. We'll see if it's charged or not. Now it goes this way. Turn it on. Power button. Oh, gotta set up the date. Oh, okay, now it's time to put the mag filter on. Magnetized. Let's look at that. I gotta be careful and make sure this thing is in the right place. Alright. And there you go.
Alright, so here's my new camera, the Canon G7X.
and it came with a lot of gadgets or devices or accessories. And this is separately, by the way. This mag filter is $30. It's a filter. The lens will be clean all the time unless you take it out, and the dust will go inside the filter, and that's the reason why we have the filter. How cool is that? That's cool, right? Okay, just to let you know that I'm using my phone right now, which is the LG K10. I'm not using my action camera, small one. Action camera, Econ 4K. Hey, look at me. I'm a vlogger now. I could just vlog right here and hold it like that, and I'll be looking stupid and shit. Okay, so today we're gonna check out Canon G7X feature on fireworks. There's a settings here where you can change the dial. Why is it too dark? There you go. There's a dial here where you can change to video, to I'm guessing that's scenery. Not entirely sure, but once we click here, and that's shooting on fireworks. Let's see if it's gonna show up. Fireworks. All right, checking that out. Yun, may bathroom dito. Yun, CR. Kabila. Uy!
Nahihingi ka na ba?
Ah, yeah!
O, hanap na muna tayong pwesto.
Eh, bakit? Lalakad ba yung pwesto? Go! Keep going! Saan mo na lang andun yung ano natin, kotse. Kung wala, patay. Maganda yung hat nyo. Ha? Buti na.